Did you know you could cook pancakes on a conveyor belt? Main Industrial's conveyor belts have many food industry applications. But with food comes many restrictions and considerations. We know that quality, hygiene, and durability are of the utmost importance for our clients in the food industry. MIPR Corp is excited to offer you solutions designed to be antimicrobial, robust, and easy to clean. Food factories across the world are now looking to monolithic plastic for their belting systems. The belts are trimmed by a 3,000 psi high-pressure spraying machine that will separate the plastic at its edges. This clean-cut, single piece of material prevents microorganisms from penetrating the side of the belt. There are no cracks, borders, or layers to separate. Not only is our FDA-approved blue monolithic plastic exceptionally sanitary, but it is also easy to clean and doesn't wear out as fast. Though we love this new technology that's hitting the food industry, we have many other options available for diverse needs. Our food-grade wire mesh conveyor belts are stainless steel that can withstand high and low temperatures, perfect for baking or freezing. The open structure of these belts allow for air circulation to help cool your products as they move through the conveyor and are less likely to stick to your products. If you're conveying bulk food items, such as flour or rice, a trough belt that keeps the products in the center of the conveyor belt may be a good choice for your operation. These are just some of the standard food conveyor belts used in the industry, focusing on the critical factor of cleanability. We have many more FDA and USDA approved belting solutions. MIPR Corp will solve your food-grade conveyor belting challenges across baking and food processing applications. We offer unique solutions for dough handling, belts that are grease and oil resistant, and non-stick cut and gouge resistant FDA, USDA belts. We have the manufacturing expertise to accommodate applications. You'll benefit from our 33 years of hands-on, rubber, and composite-based knowledge. Contact MIPR Corp at 1-800-540-1846 to discuss your food-grade belting need, or visit our website at miprcorp.com to learn more about the belting compounds and components we offer our clients in the food industry. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to working with you.